Cryptocurrencies for beginners. In this video, we're going to cover what are cryptocurrencies, how to buy cryptocurrencies, how to store cryptocurrencies, and probably most important, how to earn a passive income with cryptocurrencies. So what are cryptocurrencies? Are they really like your dollar, your pound, and your euro? Well, the short answer is no. Not all cryptocurrencies act as a currency. So let's dive a little bit more into what the different types of cryptocurrencies there are. Did you know there's over 11,000 different types of cryptocurrencies? Bitcoin being the first one that was produced. So let's have a look at a website called CoinMarketCap. Now, some cryptocurrencies are what's called a stable coin. Now, a stable coin normally pegs its price to a fiat currency like the dollar. Here is a stable coin called Tether. And as you can see, if we look down this column here, the price of the coin is here. So this is $1. So if we go down a little bit further, here's another stable coin. The price is $1. Come down a little bit further, you've got another stable coin here. The price is $1. So the stable coin should be around the price of $1 for one coin. And Bitcoin was the very first cryptocurrency that was ever created. And as you can see on CoinMarketCap, it's the #1 coin and it's got the highest price. Other coins are created to back a project. So let's say that I wanted to, collect money for charity, or I wanted to open up a new type of coffee shop and I wanted to raise some money. Well, I could go to the bank or I could produce a cryptocurrency and sell that cryptocurrency so that I could raise the funds to back my project. So what's the difference between a cryptocurrency and a fiat currency like your pounds, your dollars, and your euros? The main difference is that cryptocurrencies have a limited supply, meaning that they can't be reproduced whenever a government wants to do it. There will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin. Right now, there is about 18 million Bitcoin in circulation, and the number changes every 10 minutes as new blocks are mined. And we're going to come on to what the blocks and the mined mean because we're going to talk about the blockchain. But as you can see, there'll only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. It is said that Bitcoin is the digital gold. There's only so much gold on the planet and there's only so much Bitcoin in existence. Unlike fiat currencies like the pound, they're being printed or generated every day, every second. As you can see, the UK's national debt grows by £5,170 per second. That's a debt of £70,000 for every taxpayer, or for every citizen that's in the UK. That means a baby up to old age pensioner. The debt for each person, just over £40,000. And right now, we have a debt of over 4.8 trillion. And the US is even worse. They got 28 trillion worth of debt. It's because the governments keep printing more and more fiat currencies. They call it quantitative easing. I call it a scandal. So let's have a look at another way that a cryptocurrency is much more efficient than a fiat currency like your dollars, euros and pounds. Meet Jim. Let's say that Jim wants to send his business partner $50,000 to Jane and she's in the UK. Now Jane wants to receive Great British pounds. Jim talks to his bank and says, "Can you do the transaction?" They say, "Of course, Jim. Fill out this form and we'll arrange it for you." Jim fills out the form. The bank charge a conversion fee and send over the pounds over to Jane's bank. Jane goes to the bank and has to fill out another form so she can get access to the funds. And both banks in this transaction charge their fees. Plus the transaction takes more than 2 days to complete. But Jim decides he doesn't want to pay all those fees. And he doesn't want to pick up the cost of the fees on Jane's side either. So he decides to look at cryptocurrencies. And he decides to use a cryptocurrency called TRON. Now, because he's going to use a cryptocurrency called TRON, he doesn't need to fill out any forms, and neither does Jane. He doesn't need a bank account to convert the dollars into pounds. And Jane doesn't need a bank account either. So there's no fees to pay to bank accounts and third parties. Plus the transaction can be completed instantly. So Jim sends his TRON over to Jane. Now Jane, she has a choice. She can either cash up the TRON and put it into her bank account, or she can put it onto her cryptocurrency credit card. The choice is hers. All in all, a much cheaper way for Jane and Jim to do business together. Don't you agree? Let's have a look at how to buy cryptocurrencies. If we head back over to CoinMarketCap, and you'll find a link for this in the description, you'll see the names of the coins down the left hand side. So let's say you wanted to buy some Bitcoin. It's very simple. All you need to do is to click on Bitcoin. Straight away there's a button at the top here that you can buy Bitcoin on. But if you come down the bottom and you want to click on Market, you can sort these by source in alphabetical order, and you'll find all the exchanges where you can buy and sell Bitcoin. You can buy and sell Bitcoin for dollars, pounds, euros, just about any fiat currency you can think of. All you need to do is just to find the best exchange that works for you in your country. There's a ton to choose from. I often use the exchange Coinbase, and I also use Binance. Binance.us is for people in the United States, and Binance.com is for everywhere else in the world. But there's a ton of exchanges where you can buy Bitcoin either by connecting your bank account, using your credit card, using your PayPal account, or of course you can use cash as well, because you can look for an ATM that sells Bitcoin. And you can use a website called Coin ATM Radar. All you need to do is to put in your postcode or your zip code or your address, and it will tell you the nearest Bitcoin ATM machine to you. So it's very easy to buy Bitcoin. In fact, it's very easy to buy any cryptocurrency. All you need to do is a little bit of research on CoinMarketCap to find out where you can buy the cryptocurrency of your desire. Let's say that you wanted to buy TRON, just like Jim did earlier in the video. You'd come over to CoinMarketCap. In the top search bar here, you could search TRON or TRX, which is short for TRON. That will bring you to this page. Again, you've got a buy button that you can click on, which will take you over to Binance.com. Or if you come down the bottom of the screen, click on Market. Again, you'll find a ton of exchanges where you can either use your credit card, your PayPal account, or connect your bank account so that you can buy TRON. Once you've bought your TRON, what do you do with it? Well, let's just say that you bought it on Binance.com. Once the transaction has been completed, Binance will keep that in a TRON wallet for you. But that means Binance has control of your funds. And if anything happens to Binance, you lose your funds. So what you need to do is to put your TRON into its own wallet. I use a wallet called TronLink. It's a great wallet. You can either use it as an app on your phone, or you can use it as a Chrome browser. I've got it here at the top as a Chrome browser. You head over to tronlinkwallet.org and choose the method of how you'd like to use the wallet. You download it, install it, and you're done. Here's a TronLink wallet, and as you can see, it's got TRON, it's got Tether, it's got all the different types of cryptocurrencies that you could possibly ever use. And of course, you can click on the plus button to add more cryptocurrencies that you can store inside your wallet. Let's say I wanted to receive TRON. I wanted to get the TRON from Binance and put it into my TronLink wallet. I just click on TRON here and I click on Receive. Once I click on Receive, it will give me an address like this. I copy that address, take that over to Binance, click on TRON to withdraw and send it to that address. It's that simple. No forms to fill out, and the transaction is almost instantly. It will be done within a couple of minutes. So that's how easy it is to buy any cryptocurrency using a website like CoinMarketCap. So we've just covered how to buy cryptocurrencies and how to store your cryptocurrencies. The next thing is the most important one of all, I believe, is how to earn a passive income. Carry on watching. I'm going to show you how easy that is as well. Earning a passive income. Now that you've bought your TRON and maybe you've got it stored inside your TronLink wallet, I want to introduce you to a website called Johnny Blockchain. Make your portfolio profitable for you. Earn a passive return of up to 125% via the TRON smart contract. Now in this video I'm not going to cover smart contracts, but if you'd like me to cover that, leave me a comment below the video. Also, if you like this type of content, make sure you give me the thumbs up, click that subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new video. Now Johnny Blockchain is a quite unique website. Not only can you manage your cryptocurrency portfolio, buy and sell and carry out arbitrage trades, but you can also have a passive return. Now, if you're interested in finding out more about Johnny Blockchain, there's one or two things you could do. You could head over to Johnny Blockchain Direct and register over there. You can register for as little as 100 TRON. And when you pay your 100 Tron, that's about $8 in today's exchange rate, you will receive back 125 Tron, and that's where the passive income comes in. You're receiving a passive income, you're getting paid to use the Johnny blockchain system. It's a fantastic combination and it's a win-win for everybody. But if you want to find out more about Johnny blockchain, then below this video you're going to find a link, and it's going to take you to a page just like this one. Click on that link, fill out your name and your email address, and I'll send you all the details of how to get started and how Johnny blockchain works. You have a fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you in another one. Take care now. Bye.